Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly, we'll begin with the customization of this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature using the shortcut. So let's enter the settings firstly and find the display. Now on the third position we've got night light, and before we will actually customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on the switcher right here, and I hope that you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen or read in a dim light. So you can change the intensity of that feature using the switcher. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler, and to the right, warmer. So obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to use. Under it, we've got the information that your device needs the location in order to determine your sunset and sunrise times. So let me actually explain what's going on here and why we've got this information. We can schedule the night light or a comfort mode, how you want to name it. So call it actually. So here we've got the schedule option, and after tapping on it, you can see that we've got three different options. We've got none. We can turn it on at custom times, so obviously we will be able to choose freely the start time and end time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. So that's why we had the information that the device needs to have the location information in order to determine the sunset and sunrise in your location, obviously. So obviously you can tap on turn on from sunset to sunrise, and then you will have to allow the location to share the information to the night light. But I will pick the option turn on custom time, and as you can see, we've got the start time and end time, so we can freely tap on it, and from this clock just choose the time we want to use. So I will pick, for example, 10 a.m. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, the night light immediately appears. It is immediately turned on. It is because the start time just passed. I mean, it is 10 a.m. and right now we've got almost 1 p.m. We can choose also the end time, and after choosing, for example, 2 p.m., you can see that still the screen is yellow. It is because we are between the start time and end time, so it's quite easy. But let me turn it off, and this is it. This is the customization of the night light or eye comfort mode. And in order to have much faster access to this feature, all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and as you can see, your device will automatically drag you to the place where we will have the night light shortcut, which is right now obviously activated, and we can turn it off just by tapping on it. So it's quite easy, and it's very useful if you want to turn it on very fast. So you can turn it on again just by tapping on the night light icon. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.